This is the second blizzard of the winter season of 2010. It's actually mid-February. It's actually February 10th, 2010, and this is the second storm. As you can see, it's coming down pretty thick right about now. Getting a lot of accumulation. Everybody's walk out here earlier today about 1 o'clock was completely plowed. There were walkways to go through. So as you can see, right here we have, I'm going to roll down. That's about a good 3 inches of fresh snow. Now this tree came down earlier. There's too much ice on it. Fortunately, the vehicle that was under it didn't suffer any damage because it basically just laid down. We pulled it back up, shook the ice off. Looks like it's accumulating again, so that's going to be pulled up, or we're going to lose that tree. As you can see, the roofs are pretty thick on there. We got quite a bit of accumulation. Now, mind you, all these spots were pretty much where you don't see the piles were actually plowed out to the surface, and this is within, geez, probably like 1:30, not even that. Probably 12:30, I would say. All right, so you see it. I have it.